Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in my today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a very profitable crypto arbitrage strategy. For those of you that don't know about crypto arbitrage, it's the process of buying your asset cheaper and then selling them at a more profitable rate. Take note that for you to be able to indulge in this process, you'll be needing a very good amount of capital for you to indulge in this process. You know that the higher the amount of capital you use, the more profit you tend to. You guys, currently I'm in the MEXC app. This is the app I'm going to be using to show you guys the arbitrage process. If you don't have a MEXC account, you can use my link in the description section to get started. Guys, I want you guys to the trade section right here at the MEXC app. Over here, I want you guys to change this current pair to the BTC to USD pair because that will come into this process. For this process, we are going to be buying BTC at this trade section so that you are in your spot market. Because spot market will enable you to hold your own asset. Once you buy the coins in the spot market, you transfer them from one wallet. So guys, currently this is the BTC to USD pair and you can current market price of BTC is at the rate of 15,150 guys calculate what 100 USD by their history and you are going to be getting a total of 0.01627 BTC. So guys, I want you guys to take note of this. That means that was going to get back. Guys, after we've gotten our BTC, this is where we're going to be very and you take note that in order for you to indulge in this, you need to verify the MEXC account to indulge in this. After you've signed up for you make sure that your account is verified and you have completed your KYC account. The next thing I want you guys to do is to come over to the P2P trading section right here. In case the P2P trading section is not over here, you can come over here to more and then you find P2P market. So guys, over here on P2P market is where people come to exchange their crypto assets for local currency. If you have any crypto assets you want to buy or sell, you can come over here and use your local bank to either get it or to sell it. Like either use your local currency to get the crypto asset you want to get or use the local bank to receive money after selling the crypto asset you want to sell. Guys, once you're on this page, I want you guys to come over here and change this USD to BTC and then decide to USD because of those are the pairs that we are working with. Then after doing that, I want you guys to come to the sell side of the P2P market. Current market price over here is actually we have to go with any of these guys. I want to inquire trade. That's why I always say before you indulge in any arbitrage, you should make sure you do your calculation and check if it's profitable for you. But as you can see, this first thing, you can still make profit if you have to trade with this first thing. Current rate at rate of 800 per take note that only people that have USD account can trade with this person. Only if you have an ATM account that you can trade with him because of it's going to be sending you USD to this current bank display here. In case you don't have a dollar account, don't worry about it. That process just let's calculate how much profit we are making if we are to sell this particular guys price. Total out as you can see, we are going to be getting total cash back. We are going to be receiving a total of 101 USDT back. But these are for only people that have an ATM account so that they can use to receive USD. Okay, and remember that the total capital we used for this process was a total of 100 USDT. So profit we'll be making from this process is a total of just $1. To some of you, this might look like a very low profit, but the thing about arbitrage is that you can do this process over and over again. Guys, if for instance you have to do this process for up to 10 times in a day, if you are fast enough, this is very possible. Be careful because of crypto price tends to fluctuate. If then you were able to do this process 10 times in a day, you're making a total of about $10 just one day. And then if you're even able to do more than 10 times, you'll be making more profit in a day. And then for those of you that don't have a dollar, also if you're just finding my channel for the first time, welcome. I regularly share practical arbitrage strategies like this step by step so you can see real profit and learn how to take action. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future updates and I drop. For those of you who want more exclusive insights, I have a dedicated Telegram group where I drop real-time tips, arbitrage opportunities, and market updates that I don't always share on my YouTube channel. So I will leave the link in the description section and in the comment section. You can also join my WhatsApp group to get instant alerts and strategies as soon as I find them. Joining these groups is the best way to stay ahead and consistently find profitable opportunities like this. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment with any question, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's keep growing profit together. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. That process you guys can use. I'll be using Nigerians for example. For those of you that are Nigerians, or if you're other countries, you can use your own particular currency to calculating the same way I'm going to show you guys right now. So for those of you that are Nigerians, if you have to use a total of 100 USDT, so current price buy USDT with NGN is at the rate of 1395.98. Go with these people at the top. These people at the top are just using a price profitable for them. If you have to go with this price, you are just going to incur a loss. So go down and check for other cheap price. Guys, if you want to be buying 100 USDT from this particular guy, IB Rock G. So I'm going to be paying a total of 139,500 approximately. I want you guys to take note of this as your capital for Nigerians or other people that are using their own currency to calculate. First of all, use your local currency to buy USDT, and then once you create that USDT, then we'll head over to the trade section and get and buy USDT and buy BTC with your USDT. Make sure that you are on the spot market. Then you buy the USD, you buy the BTC with your USDT. And if you are using a total of 100 USDT to buy the BTC, you are still going to be getting the same amount of BTC that we got earlier. Getting a total of 0.001627. Take note that this is the current rate at the time of making this video. Market price might have changed by the time you are doing yours. Make sure you calculate the process. So for NGN, you are going to be using a total of the capital of 139,500. Get a total of 100 USDT. Then this 100 USDT is what you're going to use and buy BTC at the trade spot section. And then once you get that BTC, you transfer it to your funding account on the platform so that you can be able to sell it on the P2P market. We head over back to the P2P market and change this side to BTC, and then you can change this side to the NGN easily. Then you head over to the sell side of the P2P market. So you can sell your BTC directly for Naira for NGN, and it will be sent directly to your local bank. As you can see, they have Nigerian banks such as OPay, Kuda Bank. In fact, bank transfer in general, that means they can transfer to any Nigerian bank in general. So I want you guys to filtering this out to 100,000 Naira so you can easily find merchant that are trading in the same limit such as you. First merchant over here is trading a limit of 50,000 to 15 million currently. We could sell our total BTC to him 0.001667. As you can see, we are going to receive a total of 141,000, let's say 200, or let's just say 300, let's just say 141,200 Naira currently. You guys can take note of this as our total cashback. Remember, for NGN, the total capital was 139,500. So if we are to minus that from 141,000, you can see our profit is 1,700 Naira per transaction. And if we were to do this process for up to 10 times in just one day, as you can see, we are going to be making a total of 17,000 Naira just one day. So you can see how profitable Crypto Arbitrage is. For those of you that don't have a USDT account, that don't have a dollar account, or you are not in Nigeria, you can easily calculate the process the same way you are just did to see if this process will be profitable for you in your country. Go to the market and filter out your currency, your local currency, and check if the process will be profitable for you. There are people who look out before you start this process. So don't make the account verified through KYC before you can indulge in this process. If you are a beginner and you don't have a MEXC account, you can use the link in the description to get started. Make sure you are using a good amount of capital to indulge in this process, because if you tend to use some amount of capital, you might incur loss. You can see that if we were to use a total of 100 USDT, we are going to be making only $1. So if you have to say you want to use a capital less than that, you might just incur any loss in this process. This is very, very important, guys. Make sure you do your calculations before you indulge in this process. Crypto asset tends to be very volatile, and their market price change to fluctuate easily. Their market price changes over time. It changes very, very fast. So you should make sure you do your calculations thoroughly and you do your findings before you indulge in this process. Nothing I say or do in this video should be taken or considered as financial advice. If you like this video, guys, make sure you give the video a like and subscribe to the channel so to keep me motivated to make more videos whenever I come across more opportunities such as this. You can also check the description to the link to my Telegram channel for more updates such as this. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.